How to add another user in Windows 11. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add another user in Windows 11. But before we go on with this video, I recommend you to subscribe to the channel because I do tutorials like this every week. Okay, let's head over to this tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to click the Start menu. And then you want to go to Settings. And then you want to scroll down to... And then you want to access the Account tab here. And then you want to scroll down to Other Users. And from here you want to click the Add Account button here. And from here you just want to follow the steps and do what the computer tells you to do. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.